This is a video for Overkill supercharger systems for the 2008 to 2013 Cadillac CTS with the 3-liter and 3.6-liter engines. My name is Will, I'm the owner, and this is my own personal 2010 Cadillac CTS with the 3-liter version of the V6 engine. I've taken the front bumper off to show you the design of the kit and also to check over the condition of everything. It's been on the car for 11 months. So I thought you'd appreciate a candid video of not only how everything looks, but how everything looks after 11 months of use. I have not had to do anything to the supercharger system other than when I was cleaning and dressing the engine. I got some dressing on the supercharger belt. Had to take it off and give it a good clean, and otherwise it's been daily driven and everything's been great. So the kit starts with the Vortex supercharger. This is a V3 unit. It's their bread and butter unit. It's a self-contained oiling system, so there's no oil lines running everywhere. And it's specifically made for us. We mount it to the engine using our CNC aluminum and anodized mounting bracket system that you see here, these two black plates. Spacers and bolts running in between. It bolts to existing fastening points on the front and side of the engine. And everything fits in here very, very well. Although it may look a little tight. If you remember, there's the huge air box that's here, so there's actually quite a bit of room to work with. Down here you'll see that clear aluminum pulley there. It's a CNC anodized crankshaft pulley. It slips into the factory crank pulley and reattaches with the bolt, and that allows us to run our independent belt drive system. You can see the tensioner here, and you'll see the factory belt right here, and if I come to the side, you can see our own independent supercharger belt that basically just runs right from the crank pulley down there, tensioner, supercharger pulley, and that's it. So it doesn't interfere with the factory belt or any of its operation. From the outlet discharge, you can see the intercooler pipe runs down. It's mostly silicone, a few aluminum pieces. It comes out at the bottom here, runs into the intercooler, through the intercooler. On the other side, right there, you'll see the tile 50mm blow-off valve, and that releases air pressure when the car is cruising or at idle. It then snakes its way back up to here. This is the mass airflow sensor housing and the mass airflow sensor. If you have anything other than a 2012 and 13 model year, we send you that model year of mass airflow sensor plus a wiring adapter to adapt it. Runs to the factory throttle body. And here you'll see an aluminum spacer. This is specifically just to give a vacuum source, and this hose runs down to the tile blow-off valve, so you don't have to tie into an existing vacuum line anywhere. Just makes it easy. The only other thing that you'll see up here in the engine that's different, actually there's two things. Line right here, this runs off to the catch can. Mounts here at the back of the engine bay. This separates oil vapors. It's specifically designed from Tracy Lewis Performance, so we run it off of engine vacuum when you're idling and cruising, but then switches to supercharger vacuum when you're at full boost. So the catch can system is always working and always evacuating positive crankcase vapors. And the other, right back here, this is the new positioning of the power steering oil reservoir. And we run the line down to the front here to a new oil cooler. That's the black part right here. The factory one was huge. Ours is a little bit smaller, but works extremely well. And down in the driver's side fender well here, you can see the blue filter. That's the AMSOIL air filter. It's a dry filter, synthetic nanofibers, I believe it is. You can read all about it on AMSOIL, but in any case, it's a premium quality filter, and it's got a pre-wrap on it that is hydrophobic. And this is after 11 months of use. You can see how clean it is. and it repels water, which is exactly what we need when we place the filter down in this area. Doesn't get so dirty, as you can see, doing this job really, really well. And you have to do some minor relocating of the horns and of the computer if you have a 2010 and up 3 liter. But pretty easy stuff. So this kit is now available. You can go to www.v6supercharger.com. You can follow Instagram page, which is Will the Overkill, and if you go to facebook.com/getoverkilled, you can follow us there on Facebook as well. If you have any questions, reach me there, or you can email me at willoverkill@gmail.com. And again, www.v6supercharger.com gets you all the information and pricing on this kit.